Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen wizardry as we reveal the best food processors of 2023, Magiccos. First, I got my hands on the Magiccos 14-cup French fry cutter storage drawer food processor, which has completely revolutionized my culinary experience. This multi-purpose kitchen equipment, to begin with, can easily handle huge amounts of ingredients. The big feed chute saves me a lot of time by letting me prepare entire fruits and veggies without the fuss of pre-cutting. One of the notable features is the built-in storage drawer, which keeps all of the bundled supplies nicely arranged and at arm's reach. This food processor can handle it all, from cheese shredding to meat chopping to slicing and dough making. The blade's power and accuracy provide consistent results every time. Whether I'm making a fast stir-fry or a sophisticated dough for baking, this machine is equal to the task. Additionally, the elegant style complements my kitchen well. In conclusion, the Magiccos 14-cup food processor has become a must-have in my kitchen. Its simplicity, power, and adaptability have made cooking and meal preparation more efficient and pleasurable. The Braun CH3012BK EasyPrep mini food processor follows, a little but powerful kitchen device that has rapidly become a go-to tool in my culinary escapades. Its 4-cup capacity makes it ideal for modest to medium-sized meal prep jobs, and it doesn't take up much counter space. What distinguishes this little food processor is its ease of use. It's extremely user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for both novice and expert cooks. The one-touch action makes the procedure easier, and the sharp blades regularly produce good results. Whether I'm cutting veggies, nuts, or herbs, this small machine performs admirably. The inbuilt pulse control allows you to customize the texture of the components, and the results are always consistent. The tiny form makes it easy to store, and most of its parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleaning a joy. The sleek black color matches any kitchen design, and the construction quality is long-lasting. So to wrap, especially for simpler cooking jobs that do not require a bigger, bulkier food processor. It's a time-saving and convenient product that I strongly suggest because of its ease of use and efficacy. Moving forward, we have the Ninja NF705BRN Professional XL Food Processor, a kitchen workhorse that has completely changed the way I make meals. This behemoth can tackle a broad range of chores thanks to its impressive 1200 peak, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The 12-cup processor bowl is ideal for bigger meal preps, since it eliminates the need for repeated batches. The 4-in-1 functionality, which includes chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and dough mixing, meets almost all of my culinary demands, from soups to salads to baked products. It is distinguished for its efficiency and accuracy. Whether I'm making fine veggie slices, fluffy dough, or silky purees, the 2 supplied blades and 2 discs assure consistent and professional results. The large feed funnel and pusher make it simple to process entire fruits and vegetables without the need for time-consuming pre-cutting. Furthermore, the ingenious storage box neatly organizes all of the accessories. The build quality is excellent, and it's a long-lasting kitchen buddy in which I have faith. Most pieces are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a snap. GANIZA. The GANIZA food processor comes next. This is a genuine culinary powerhouse that provides incredible flexibility in a small size. Each with an 8-cup capacity, give plenty of space for all of your food processing needs, making it ideal for big dinners and groups. The dual functionality of this device, which combines a meat grinder and a veggie chopper, genuinely distinguishes it. The 450W copper motor is extremely strong, easily addressing even the most difficult ingredients. This food processor comes with 2 sets of bi-level blades, making it a kitchen jack of all trades. It gets the job done quickly and precisely, whether you're making baby food, grinding meat, or cutting vegetables for a stir-fry. The copper motor delivers both power and durability, guaranteeing that this device can sustain rigorous usage. What I like best about it is the consideration that went into the design. So, in all, this GANIZA food processor is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering a variety of food processing options in a single handy appliance. GANIZA. The GANIZA food processor comes next. This is a genuine culinary powerhouse that provides incredible flexibility in a small size. Cuisinart FP-130. The Cuisinart FP-130 13-cup multifunctional food processor comes next. Its spacious 13-cup capacity makes it ideal for both mini and large meal preparations. This food processor's multifunctionality is very astounding, making it a flexible workhorse in the kitchen. It does each duty with accuracy and efficiency, whether I'm chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, or even kneading dough. The bundled accessories and attachments, such as the blades and discs, allow for a broad range of texture and consistency adjustment. The motor is strong, letting it to handle even the most difficult ingredients with ease. The construction quality is strong and long-lasting, assuring long-term performance. The novel feed chute and pusher design allow for the processing of entire ingredients without substantial pre-cutting. Cleanup is even simple, and many of the components are dishwasher safe, which saves time. The Cuisinart FP-130 is more than just a food processor. Finally, there's the Davivy 7-cup food processor. This one has really transformed my home cooking experience. The 8 built-in operations of this food processor set it apart, covering everything from chopping and slicing to shredding, pureeing, and even specialist chores like French fry cutting and wavy slicing. With 10 sets of blades, you'll be prepared for any culinary task. The 3 speed settings provide versatility and control, allowing you to get the ideal uniformity for your recipes. The built-in storage drawer, on the other hand, keeps all the accessories organized and conveniently accessible, avoiding the aggravation of hunting for the proper attachment. The strong motor easily handles a variety of ingredients, saving time and effort in meal preparation. The sleek and modern appearance complements any kitchen, and the user-friendly interface guarantees that even novices can operate it with confidence. And even better, most components are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a snap. In a word, the Davivy 7-cup food processor is an excellent addition to any home kitchen, providing a wide range of operations, intelligent storage choices, and simplicity of use. There you have it, folks, the top food processors of 2023. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest for kitchen greatness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest kitchen adventures.